Alright, so that's going to look sick if right on the drop we do a blackout, throw an edge detect, come back. Oh yeah. That looks sick. Okay, so how did we create that? We have two clips here, a 3D model and a Mandelbrot fractal. That's it. We're using a glow blend mode on the top layer, which is the 3D model. On the track, we've got a few effects. Camera shake, decimate. Whoops, I deleted decimate. And camera shake. Throw that back on. Throw that back on. Now on the decimate, we had some modulators set. There we go. Okay. But we'll turn that off for now. Turn off camera shake. Edge detect is off. And the strobe is off. The strobe is actually a black frame. So, not white. Looks cool that way. Now let's go into the clip. So we're on the 3D model itself now. We're going to turn off bad TV, halftone. It has strobe as well. And twist. It's not doing much. But that'll have more effect once the audio is playing. And then tile is cool. We'll use that from time to time. But it's off right now. Okay, so now we'll go into the fractal. Turn off its image adjustments. Turn off the mirror, which we have modulated to random mode on beat. And then the glitch effect, which we have modulated as well. Okay, so now all the effects are off. We show the blend mode back to normal. We get what we start with, just the basic 3D model. Turn that off. You can see underneath it, we have just the basic Mandelbrot fractal. Now, let's build it back up. Turn back on the clip effects on the fractal. Turn back on the clip effects on the 3D model. We'll leave tile off. Now turn back on the clip effects on the track. We can leave edge detect off, and that's a fun one to throw down on the drop, as we saw before, or on a major transition. Decimate is also one that's fun to throw on and off. Okay, so now that we've rebuilt it, let's play some music. And you can see how all those modulators are taking effect. And that's it. Nice. All right. Thank you.